That is, we're able to bring new levels and types of telecommunications in the form of wireless cellular data, where you can actually deploy the cash register anywhere, right? So one of the areas where we've forged into new markets are things like stadiums, minor league baseball stadiums, food trucks, things of that nature, state fairs, concerts, where typically there is no Ethernet capability, there's no telecom capabilities. The people struggle to be able to get access to credit card as a form of payment. What you find in a lot of those establishments is our ATM machines deployed, right? And so we're now taking wireless cellular data, adding it to a cash register that's very, very low cost, and giving it full network management. In addition to that, we're elevating levels of security, and we're also giving them back office analytics. So a cash register that can sell for a few $100s now has access to online reporting, cloud-based reporting that allows them to do multi-lane roll-up reporting, multi-location reporting. So if you're a 50-location or a 500-location franchise, or corporate-owned stores with franchise, you can now use our above-store analytics to find out exactly what's going on. We're not just tracking credit card sales. We are tracking all cash sales, any tender type that occurs, and tell the business exactly how they're doing. Up to the second reporting if they want to know that. This is a sample of what our dashboard looks like. This is actually a 30-day snapshot. It's actually made up of three pieces of information. The first one on the left is actually telling you sales performance by hour, right? So most businesses don't know what their busiest hour is and why and how much money they're sold. So when you scroll over the bar chart, it'll tell you the time period and tell you the amount of money. Most businesses, if you watch a TV show like Restaurant Impossible, Chef Michael Irvine, I love using him as an example because he's rescuing restaurants, and one of the first questions he asks when he walks in, what's your gross sales? And most businesses get it wrong. They don't know. And so simply being able to click on here and look at reports, you click on that report, it'll repaint the screen. We're able to tell them exactly what they sold for whatever time period they want to look at, right? Usually the second question that Michael Irvine asks a failing restaurant when he's out there doing his show, because he's helping them fix their business, is what's your number one product, right? And usually the business owners get that wrong as well. And it's a very, very simple way with our dashboard to tell a business owner that's not in tune with his business exactly what's going on without having to pick up the phone and call anybody, right? It's right at their fingertips. So when we sell this solution, first customer, the owner, usually the decision maker, want them to be able to understand they can find out what their employees are doing at their fingertips on their iPhone, on their Android iPad, their iPhone, their iPad, whatever telemetry device. This day and age, everybody's got a telecommunications device at their fingertips. We bring that from a cash register level to the cloud and to their phone instantaneously.